are you all? I hope you all will be fine. Children, today I am going to tell you an interesting story of myself. Hello, friends. My name is Sarah. I am a girl and I am 9 years old. Sami is my little brother. He is 3 feet tall. He teases me that I look like a doll. We live with our parents, father and mother, a small family. We love each other. I have a dog named Fluffy. He is small. He comes to me when I call. Summers are spent with grandma and grandpa. We sing by the piano. La 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 la. I go to school where I learn to read and write. My teacher says I am very bright. During break time, we play under the sun. Everything is so much fun. I have many friends with whom I share books, sweets, and anything they care. I love the colors red and blue. It is the color of my bed too. I love mango and the flower rose. I have it in my garden so I can see it up close. I like reading books. Fairy tales are nice. I can even read each story twice and thrice. I love summer and playing outside. I dislike it when all my friends are out and I am inside. I hope, children, you will enjoy this story. We will meet in our next video. Thank you. Take care and Allah Hafiz.